All right, so let's show you how to get these little guys into these little itty bitty bags. These little bags I got at Walmart. They're jewelry bags. You can find them in the craft section where you find like little things on how to make like earrings and such. I'm not gonna roll any of these up and show you how to stuff them into the straws because it's time consuming and it's very self-explanatory. In fact, this whole step is pretty self-explanatory, but I was just gonna show you how I do it anyway. You can put a few tools inside these little bags with your bags too. Things like, since you're going to be carrying bags essentially for water, I get the water purification tablets. So one of these, you put two tablets in a quart of water, one tablet into a pint, and you let it sit for 30 minutes, and it purifies your water for you. And then you put one of the other tablets, the white tablet, in afterwards, and that gets rid of the iodine flavor that comes with your purified water. They use iodine to purify the water. So honestly, in some of my kits, I don't even put the purifier in there. The water tastes like crap. I'm not gonna lie. I have drank it before, and but for space conservation, I would say you don't need the white tablets. It's not going to kill you, But in this particular situation, you can definitely add them to the baggies. For these larger bags, I also have more tablets for more uses, and you can, like I said, you can replace the white tabs. Those are the purifying of the iodine flavor and color. You can replace those with just more water purification tablets, which in a situation would probably be better. And I do have little miniature zip ties that I also am going to put in the kits. But it's really simple. You just take a bag, you push all the air out of it, push it in half, and essentially all it is you're just folding it. Honestly, it's super self-explanatory. Fold it as tight as it go, get the air out. You'll fold it one last time. I'm doing this at an angle because of the video where my camera's sitting. So I'm just gonna push it off right side. And then I have some tape here. You'll see that what that's for in a second. All right, so I might speed the video up just because. Make sure you push all the air out. It gets them a little bit more snug. The countertop is staticky right now, so it's like it's sticking to it a little bit. Get it nice and tight. I'll do one more. Ugh. The static on the countertop is killing me. It's making it like sticky. Fold it up really nice, really tight. Take your little baggie. Jewelry bags, Walmart, super cheap. You get a whole bunch of them in a package. And slide that sucker down in there. Put your tablets either on top of it or inside of it, inside of the bag on the inside, because you don't want to put it on the side because that defeats the next purpose of using the tape. And then you can put your zip tie also in there. And these are just dollar store zip ties. I mean, I suppose you can actually put it through the hoop too. And get rid of the excess. I typically put the entire, I guess when it comes to the larger ones, I'll put the entire zip tie in there. Set that in there. Nice and snug. You want to leave a hole on one of the sides, preferably not the side that the stuff is on. And you'll see why in a second, because when you fold this over, you'll get more air that you need to release from here. So you fold it nice and snug. A little bit of tape. And then you're going to fold it again. Nice and snug. A little bit of tape. And there you go. This one doesn't look as neat as the other one I have in the kit, but it also doesn't have a zip tie inside of it. And then there you go. You just add that to your kit. And you make quite a few of these. Make quite a few of them. You can actually have a designated kit just for these. But yeah, it's super useful. It's super useful. And real fast, I'm going to make a sped up video of me putting the other bags into these ones so I don't have to take up too much time. And I'll be... One second. I got to go change my laundry real fast. One second.